right. So today we been up in Severa and we're gonna go home. So I figured we turn the camera on and do a little motor block.
Day motor vlog.
Yeah, day motor. The other day we did a night one. But anyway, so
Did you having fun?
yeah, we had fun. We relaxed a little bit today.
Yeah.
So now we're leaving Severa and we're gonna head towards Daú and Mabalacat. And we're gonna take some back roads where we have never gone before. And
Because of traffic also.
yeah,
Avoid
I don't know how traffic is today, but shouldn't be all that bad, you know. It's Sunday afternoon, so it shouldn't
Yeah. Let's see what happened.
be too bad. Straight ahead, Robinson's Supermarket. Yellow building right there is the City Hall in Mabalacat. And the entrance here is pretty nice. Up to the right here you have
Small market.
the small market and what do you call it? Fruit stands, all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, but now they're not open yet.
No, they're not open yet. It's a little early,
Yeah.
early in the afternoon. So we're gonna go home. I thought they were done with this bridge, but if you look to the left there, you can see all the barriers.
Yeah.
And they're actually adding another 2 lanes on the other side. So it'd
Yeah.
be 3 lanes across here
Yeah, that's
in
more,
each direction.
That's more better.
Yeah. So this is normally a 20-minute ride or something to get home. It's about 9-10 kilometers.
Yeah. So far, traffic is good.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah, no, it's not bad at all. So we're gonna head down there. Yeah, all right. So we have arrived downtown Mabalacat, and the traffic lights down here hasn't been working for months, maybe even a year. And police officers are here most of the time directing traffic.
Yeah. One thing I noticed is the traffic light is still not. It's not working.
No, I know.
That one is so many years ago.
Yeah. How long has it been going on? A year
Yeah.
since
I
they
don't
shut them off?
Yeah, that one is very long time ago.
Yeah.
They don't also fix the traffic light.
Yeah. Well, I don't know why, but anyway, normally we go straight here, and we're gonna make a right-hand turn and drive through some of the small little communities, and this road should take us into
Clark.
yeah, well, actually this is the Clark Gate up here straight ahead,
Yeah.
but we are going to go down on one of the smaller roads here just to see, you know, a little different.
Yeah, we can go there because I am not having. I didn't take my shoes.
Yeah, we argue about that all the
Yeah,
time.
always.
She wants to ride in flip-flops.
But I
Typic-
know that is not safe, but I'm
Tip-
not comfortable to wear shoes.
Typical Filipina. All right, so here we're going to go to the left and try to get through here.
Yeah, I think these people is a worker from Clark.
Yeah, most likely those are kids from working up in the call centers, and
Some factories over
yeah,
there.
and there are some factories up there too. Yeah, that's correct. So this is Velasquez Avenue,
Yeah.
and this road takes us through this little area. A lot of people live up here. They have some schools, and they Malabat
Mabalacat Cemetery.
Cemetery, municipal cemetery is here, and a few other things. We're just gonna drive right through here
Yeah.
and check it out.
Yeah. I think this barangay are very quiet.
Yep, it was quiet. Looks like an older community, and the road veers off to the left here a little bit, and it is going to be we're coming out in Mabalacat.
Yeah. Yeah, this one there's a cemetery.
Yeah, there's a cemetery right here, and there's some schools up here and a few other things. It's a nice little ride.
Yeah,
Smooth ride. And there is also a few churches in here. They have Baptist church and Catholic church and a few other things. I think I saw a basketball court there going by. So it's typical Filipino community. Sari stores, which
most
is
common.
most common store in here in the Philippines. Sometimes I'm wondering
How they earn?
how they earn, because right around where we live, you have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 or 8 sari store within a block.
Yeah.
So you wonder how
If
how
you
they
build
earn.
a store, you have a technique how to.
All right, so now we're up in Mabalacat. To the left here, you have Barangay San Francisco, and to the left and to the right, you have many food stands and
Yeah.
chicken house and cafes and other things. So this is Mabalacat. I like Mabalacat. It's not as populated as Angeles. When you walk around here and drive around here, there's a lot of people, but it's nowhere close to the intensity of traffic and other things that you have when you get around in the Balibago area. The water supply is, I think, here, right to the left there, right? That's our water company that we go and pay our bills and make complaints. We had some kind of leakage out there, and taking a shower the other day, and I noticed sand is coming out of the water. So I was wondering, so I took some pictures, put some water in a glass bottle, and take it up there and do a formal complaint.
Yeah.
See if they can't fix it. All right, so now we're coming home on our home turf. Here is the NLEX SETEX, and we're coming home on our home turf here. And here to the right we have a church. What is it called? San Rafael
Arcangel Parish.
Archangel Parish. They sure can tweak up the name here a little bit. And then there's some Christian church up there and Christian school. And some few food stores.
I mean, Mabalacat?
Yeah, power station.
Yeah, power station.
And here to the right, you go in here, you have
Hypermarket.
hypermarket. You also, if you go a little further down that road to the right, you have a public hospital there.
Yeah. St. Rafael.
Yeah, well, no, that's not St. Raphael. It's coming
No,
up.
this one. It's
Yeah.
not St. Rafael.
Yeah, this one here is
Yeah.
Raphael coming up here. The yellow building you see up there in the horizon is Raphael. That's where we go if there is a problem and we have to go there.
Yeah.
I've been lucky, been here 5 years. I haven't had to go yet, so that's a good thing.
One time only.
Did I go one time?
Me.
Yeah, you. That's right, but not me.
Not you.
I'm getting confused here. All right, traffic hasn't been bad at all, and not a whole lot of people out. Normally,
Not much traffic.
no, and normally you come here in the evening time. These
Rush hour.
Rush hour. Some of the buildings are out there. People are out. They're barbecuing. They're doing all kinds of stuff. You can buy good food. I've been here long enough that I can surely eat some of that.
Yeah. One time that goes traffic in this area
Yeah.
on Thursday because they have a Changi
Yeah. That's
market, night market.
night market on Thursdays.
Yeah.
A little further up there outside St. Raphael that time.
Yeah.
But anyway, we're almost back down in the O. Actually, this is part of the O. You got the high school to the right there, right?
That's an elementary.
Elementary. Okay.
That's where Sean.
Sean goes?
Yeah.
Okay. Sean is our
One of my
nephews.
This church in the left is
Yeah.
a big.
Catholic church.
Yeah, it's a Catholic church.
Yeah.
Victory Church.
Yeah. And here we're coming up.
There's Arcade, Marina Arcade. Oh, no, not yet.
Yeah, Marina Arcade is
It's
up
on
there, the
the-
green building to the right. We're gonna cut through here into our neighborhood and
Kamalig.
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 Yeah,
Barangay Kamalig.
yeah. All right, guys. Thank you for riding with us, and
See you in the next video.
see you in the next one. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again